Mommy, water. Water, mommy. Now, somebody called me one day and said, hey, wanna go? You get swag. You get come. What did they want you come? We'll go back beach. I got to meet my water. You know, we'll do something. We'll get money for everywhere. And I said, something. I said, do you know what this spoil us? Say I will do something. No in the house. I never been finished. Go carry me, go give my water. Ah, what they certify my water. Amen.
Amen.
These are the things God is talking about. All that the water. Don't, for any reason, make any of that to you. Verse 5. Hear what God says, verse 5.
Thou shalt not bow down thyself to them.
It is a taboo for Lord, the day I bow down to any idol, make I die that day. Amen. Thou shalt not bow down thyself unto them, nor serve them. For the Lord, that God, I'm a jealous God, visiting the iniquity of the father upon the children, unto the third and fourth generation of them that hate me. God is telling you, if you do any of these things, not only you will suffer, your children, your grandchildren, the ones where they follow, and the ones where they follow. That's 400 years. A generation is 100. 2 is 200. Am I correct? That cost will be in your family for 400 years. Now waiting me and you when you face with that. Most of our brothers that live abroad, when we say to insult pastor, it's very, very easy for them to curse pastor. Hey, Nigeria have been praying. Nigeria they pray. Hey, Igbo will bring Christianity. They know they pray. Check now Ukraine fire head now. I don't pray or not. Answer me now. They be black people.
Yes.
I don't know white people.
Yeah.
When water pass Galilee, what did they want to?
God.
We're out of the way they Facebook. It and the way they criticize pastor, say pastor, Nigeria pastor now to pray. Or you know they pray. Or you know economic is doing better. It don't happen now. Who are they talking to now?
God.
Their weapon, Alpha, fail them. Get out! Listen, let me tell you something. If you must get anything good in life, you must get ready to pray these courses. Because the reason why Africa is still where it is because our forefathers, they have sinned and they have gone. Who is suffering their sin?
We, the offspring.
And you are telling me in Nigeria, pray. You idiot. Visit, put it on the screen again. Visiting the iniquity of the fathers. See, did he say father? Did he say father?
Fathers.
Visiting the iniquity of the fathers upon the children unto the third and fourth generation of them that hate me. Your parents, your forefathers are the reason why you are where you are. Oh God, forget that thing. All those big men you are seeing with big car, if they show you waiting in the bathroom, you will pray to be a poor man. Get out. I have met a very top government official, 2019, who came here to see me 2 a.m. in the night. With his courage. Then I will still using outside, I never build church. Now my wife. If you see her coming away from the market, everywhere full. I said, see, you want contest? He said no. I don't want contest. I don't want to contest. Then what did you call the fine? With all this big money where you get? I said, prophet, can I show you something? I said, yes. Now can we go corner? I pull your brother. As he pull your brother, pull the inner shirt. Make I shock you. Life tortoise dey chest. Life tortoise. My members, some of my members started with me. Am I correct? Yes. Do you now? These are the talk nonsense. Life tortoise. He come for here like say they come tattoo. Any food the man eat, the life tortoise go suck the blood. Oh. Any food the man eat, the tortoise go suck the blood. The man say, I eat every 5 minutes. Oh. Then they carry cooler follow like the way they carry follow new baby. And you will sit them and say, oh, see money, oh, see money. How are you to make una repent, oh? Gonna repent. You want to make money overnight? Killing your girlfriend, killing people's wife, mothers, and you are using them for ritual. You will die! Oh, no! The sin our father committed, we have not been able to come out of it. You are using your hand to commit more atrocity. Are you mad? I saw a post on Facebook where a young boy died, and the friend now posted and I said he will join him 2033. Said the mission is to be rich and die young. The idiot posted on Facebook. Said that. He said, not be me and them, I'm not be me. Let me put that the way they put that. He said his friend, go where? He will join you 2033. The mission is to make money and die. A young boy. Visiting the iniquity of their father. Now, imagine the bastard that those young boys are going to bring to this life now. The mission is to get rich and die young. How true is this story? They say husband don't die for prison. How true is it? Whether dead or alive. Then Evans, did you see Evans news? Evans, you know, the kidnapper. Where is they now?
Life imprisonment.
Life imprisonment. They waste their journey. It does not take you anything to live a genuine life, my brother. It does not take you anything to live a rightful life, my sister. It not take you anything. It not take you anything. Patient. So we spend all his life with his two friends in the prison yard. What a shame. Visiting the iniquity of the father upon the children to the third and fourth generation. Money is good, but the love of it is the root of all evil. Because our forefathers, they love money, they love power. That was why they engaged themselves in rituals. Very human being alive. You wake up, be small boy, wait for something, they manage your life. Sir, nobody they learn work again. No mechanic again for street. No bricklayer again. No. You am I correct?
That's it, sir.
Nobody they learn aluminium again. No.
That's it.
No bricklayer again. No. Everybody want dry pants. Oh God, help my generation. Help my generation. Help my generation. Help my generation.
Thank you, Jesus.
When you talk, they will come after you say you are useless prophets.
That's it.
Nobody wants to learn work again. Nobody wants to go school again. In those days, sir, when we were growing up, if my mama seen you shoe for your leg, you know trouble. Now midnight, you go down, grandma go down. Go give you food chop where. Yeah, my papa, they don't ready for you. They go pet you. They don't ask you. Now when you sleep, and my mama will just stand with your head, carry paper, swat. For you, they don't tie you. You go confess but the one where you know to. That was how my mother trained me. That was why when I was suffering in Lagos, I got so many opportunities in a wrong way to make money. But I always remember that my parents would beat me. Even when I was already married. That is the rain for my head till today. See, if I go do anything, my mama will put paper for my eye. Oh, That thing never come out. My mama go take me rub my brocos, go rub her, or rub my eye. They got time me lock everywhere. If I rub on like this, now what? Do. Rub like this, now what? Do. Who give you new shoe? Where was now borrow me? Now Jafasi borrow me. Who tell you make go borrow shoe? Pia. But our mother nowadays, now they tell their teacher say you never buy laptop. You never catch. May God help our generation.
Le coucou.
You talk, they'll come after you. Amen. He just says, don't even borrow clothes for your friend hand in the hand. Go borrow a hide wear am. As you reach back of house, you don't pull out. You have bedroom slippers. Go house. But now, there was a day I wore trouser. I cut down. I cut the goal. Mama